Hello friends, I, Professor N.B. Bhoknar from Department of Agricultural Microbiology and Plant Pathology, currently working in Kekewa College of Agriculture, Nasik. Welcome you all in today's lecture of Economic Importance of Plant Diseases. Let's see learning outcomes. In this lecture, we are discussing regarding what is plant disease. As you all are aware of the different diseases caused by the plant pathogens, and now we will be focusing on the impact of plant diseases on farmers, consumer, environment, industries, etc. Also, it is a very important topic from your exam point of view. What is disease? What is mean by plant disease? As we have already studied in path 1-1 last course, that is, it is an interaction between host, parasite and environment, the disease triangle. Or another definition, any malfunctioning of the plant or host which occurs due to the continuous irritation by a pathogen. It may be a fungus, bacteria, virus, mycoplasma or environmental factor which leads to the symptom development. What are different milestones in plant pathology? Let's see one by one. First one, that is a late blight of potato in Ireland which occurred in 1845. Then powdery mildew of grape which occurred in France in 1851, and downy mildew occurred in 1878. Coffee rust which occurred in Ceylon in Sri Lanka in 1870s. Then in 1900, Sigatoka leaf spot and Panama of banana occurred in Central America. Next is black stem rust of wheat which occurred in America during the year 1916 and 1935. Let's see the annual crop produce losses. As per the reference from 1967, around 12% losses were caused due to the disease attack as compared with nematode, insect pest and weeds. And from the reference of Niti Aayog 2015, around 26% losses were caused due to diseases as compared with insect pest and weeds. Significance of epidemics. Let's see one by one the important disease. First one, that is Irish famine. Irish famine, it occurred in 1845. It is caused due to the disease, that is late blight of potato. It was caused by a fungus, that is Phytophthora infestans, and it destroyed the whole potato crop. And that crop, it was a staple food or staple crop for that people. Many of people, thousands of people died due to hunger and disease, and many people migrated to other continents or other countries, and the population reduced from 8 million to 4 million in 1940. And due to this disease, the science of plant pathology came into focus, and man also realized the importance of plant disease. Next is Bengal famine, which occurred in the year 1943. It was caused due to a disease, that is brown spot of rice, caused by Helminthosporium oryzae. And many people also think it was one of the reason for division of Bengal. And due to this disease, due to unavailability of food or hunger, around 3.5 million people dead, since it was also a staple food of Bengal. Next is coffee rust, occurred in Sri Lanka, particularly in Ceylon in the year 1867. It was caused by Himalaya vastatrix, and due to this disease, farmers changed their cropping pattern. They replaced the coffee plantation and moved towards tea. Next is chestnut blight. It was caused by Endothecia parasitica. In 1904, it devastated the American chestnut, and it has a huge impact on the furniture or tanning industry. Grapes diseases. In the year 1854 in France, a powdery mildew attack was there due to fungi, that is Ansinula nicator, and this reduced the French wine production by 80%. Then in 1878, downy mildew of grape attacked, and it was caused by the fungi, that is Plasmopara viticola. And during this, Dr. PMA Millardet discovered the Bodax mixture. And another diseases, that is diseases caused by nematode, that is a molia disease caused by cereal cyst nematode. Then red rot of sugar cane, and rice blast blight, kernel bunt of wheat, and root knot of vegetables, and bunchy top of banana, etc. These diseases, in addition to direct loss, and in terms of money, it also impact or affect the society in many other ways. When the food grains these are attacked by the fungi, they may contain toxins, and these toxins, that is aflatoxins, it is a type of mycotoxin caused by or secreted by the fungus Aspergillus flavus, which this causes paralysis or liver cancer or other stomach disorders, etc. Importance of plant diseases. Since we are humans, we depend on the plant in terms of food, clothing, furniture, and housing. If the plant diseases occurred, then the food, clothing, and furniture and housing, these industries get affected. Then millions of people all over the world, they still depend on their own plant produce for their survival. Due to diseases, quality and quantity of the plant product get reduced. For example, weed bunt, and due to attack of disease, final price of the product to customer or the consumer, it increases. And also, in previous slide we discussed the pathological effects on the humans and animals that eat the disease products, that is the mycotoxin effect. Diseases also destroy the beauty of environment because they attack the trees, plants near their surroundings, which beautify the environment, that is parks, trees, streets, forests, etc. Then for controlling diseases, farmers use pesticides which pollute the soil, water, and also the environment. It also reduces the crop yield. Also, it causes financial losses because if diseases occur, then farmers has to spray the chemicals to reduce the pathogen or disease impact. Then it also changes the agriculture pattern. For example, coffee rust. Then it also influences the industries because many industries depend on the agriculture, because agriculture industry supply them raw material. Then some plant diseases change the food habits of human population. For example, in case of wheat rust, people change their food habits. They move from wheat to rye or barley. The another monetary losses in India in terms of money, wheat rust cause around 4,000 crore losses annually. Then loose mud, average loss 3% every year. And due to nematode, worldwide losses around $1 million. Then about 10% crop losses in India. These are due to the nematodes. And there is a loss of about rupees 20 million every year in coffee due to the nematode, that is Pratylenchus coffee. And in case of molia disease, it is mostly occurring in the Rajasthan, and it causes around 30 million and 40 million losses in respective barley and wheat crop every year. Losses caused by vegetable crops by the root knot nematodes, they vary from 10 to 26%. At the end of the lecture, we gain knowledge about what is plant disease, what are important plant diseases, and importance of plant diseases in all the aspects. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe, study and revise.